Unbox these mystery boxes I got in Japan. I'm starting with this Sylvanian Families mystery bag. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness! It's so cute. Looks like I got this one. Moving on to Smiskies. Look at this, is so satisfying. Basically, you just do this and then you tear it open. Okay, let's open this. I got the one needing to go potty. Next one. These are who I got. Next, I'm opening the Vivi Star S Daily mystery box. Ta-da! Let's see what I got. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's so cute. Looks like I got Hazy Melody. Okay, lastly, I'm opening the Teddy Lulu Toys Zero mystery box. Okay, let's see who I got. 3, 2, 1. Oops. Oh, it's so cute. Look at the little piggy. Okay, this is the last one. Looks like I got Tender Teddy. This is everything I got. Thanks for watching. Bye.